Ready to unlock the secrets of the crypto market and ride the waves of digital assets like a pro? Let's dive in. First, let's understand the building blocks. Blockchain technology is the foundation, a secure and transparent ledger for all crypto transactions. Then, we have different cryptocurrencies, each with unique use cases, from Bitcoin, the store of value, to Ethereum, the platform for decentralized applications. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is revolutionizing traditional finance by offering services like lending and trading without intermediaries. Now, what drives crypto prices? It's a mix of supply and demand. Market sentiment fueled by news, regulatory developments impacting the landscape, technological advancements improving efficiency, and macroeconomic trends like inflation and interest rates. Before investing, do your homework. Research different crypto projects. Analyze their market capitalization to assess size and dominance, and track trading volume to gauge liquidity. This helps identify potential risks and opportunities. Familiarize yourself with essential terminology. Understanding terms like market cap, volatility, and hash rate is crucial for navigating the crypto world. Remember, the crypto market is complex and rapidly evolving. Stay informed, manage your risk, and continuously learn. This knowledge is your key to unlocking the potential of digital assets.